The next and last problem we will discuss is the lack of tooling. Remember that we said that for SOA systems to be effective, short development cycles were needed. After all, we already saw that one of the problems with monolith was long development cycles, and SOA had to demonstrate improvement in this area. SOA had to allow for quick testing and deployment, but for this to happen, SOA needed tooling to support this, and such tools simply didn't exist at the time. And the bottom line was simple and dire. No time saving was achieved. This was unacceptable for the developers of SOA systems, and this is one of the reasons service-oriented architecture ultimately failed. Now, can the microservices movement solve these problems? Let's see. Well, unsurprisingly, yes, it can. The infrastructure automation attribute does just that, and its sole goal is to automate testing and deployment, which are the main factors in the deployment cycle. By using automation tools, we can provide short deployment cycles, which are one of the main selling points of microservices, and of course, make the architecture more efficient and effective. So automation is one of the core capabilities of microservices, one that you as an architect should never compromise on, and using it solves the lack of tooling problem. Okay, great. So this is how microservices solve the problems stemmed from monolith and service-oriented architecture. And now that we understand what it is good for, let's deep dive into the actual steps of designing and implementing microservices-based system.